In this short video, I'll be talking about ELCO's Teak System. Our assortment of 2-inch downlights and adjustables that can be installed without housings. Despite being one of our best-selling product families, the Teak System is not complex, but it's wonderfully easy to understand and put together. Teak has only 3 major components. The system begins with the light engine itself, which includes the integrated 2-inch trim and baffle or reflector. To that engine, you add a power pack, which drives the module with either triac and ELV or 0 to 10 volt dimming options. Finally, there's a fully optional third component for precision install. You can add either a frame compatible with aligning up to 5 modules in a row, or a housing for dealing with spaces with spray-in insulation contact. And that's it. Teak uses a very sturdy locking electrical connection instead of a simple and sometimes unreliable set of wire nuts. This design ensures a good connection despite any contortions the junction often goes through during the install process. The module itself has ELCO's exclusive locking install clips. These clips reduce the risk of damaging the sealing finish and provide the installer more hand freedom. When working with the small sealing opening, the installer can now just use one hand to guide the module up until the clips contact the surface and release like a trap to secure the module in place. Even after installing the module, the optics and trims remain replaceable and adjustable without having to remove the fixture, swap black for white trims, or add a chrome reflector instead of white baffle. Swap a 38-degree beam spread for 60-degree for wider coverage. You won't need a different module or require an electrician to come back and swap out the engine or the connection. And the entire installed unit will fit in tight plenum spaces down to 5 inches in depth. Teak is a system of upscale quality. You can feel it when you hold the considerably solid and substantial light engine itself. The clips trim, conduit, and heatsink are all top-quality components integrated into a superior module. Engines have a CRI exceeding 93, delivering either 850 or 1100 lumens, depending on the choice of power pack desire. All of the available trims are die-cast metal, not plastic. These trims will hold their finish and last a lifetime without the risk of being damaged or bent by the installer, whether extremes or in shipping. Downlight modules are wet-rated. With the wet rating and die-cast metal trims, these downlights are outdoor-ready. Module options include fixed color temperatures, 2700 to 4000 K, or with dim to warm sunset dimming technology. Damp-rated adjustables are available in gimbals with 35-degree adjustability or in pull-downs with 80-degree movement. And the quality and design of Teak qualify it for compliance with Energy Star, UL, JA8, and additional standards. The entire Teak system is amazingly easy to understand and shop. Use a framer housing for precision installation and alignment if you want to. The engines and trims are one piece. By selecting them together, there's an additional confidence that the pieces are compatible and correct for the project. The lenses come standard as 38 degrees, but can be ordered or swapped out with available 28 or 60-degree options. And the metal trims are also sold as mix-and-match round and square trims and reflectors for a huge variety of options. The assortment is a dense array of all the best and most popular options. Teak's straightforward collection of options makes product selection fast, assured, and easy. And now you know about the ELCO Teak system. So fast and easy. Thank you for watching.